So today we're going to be decorating these lovely terracotta pots. So what you'll need obviously is a pot, and you'll need some wrapping paper, any type will do, scissors, PVA glue and a brush. Now what I suggest you do first is you get your PVA glue and water it down a little bit, and then coat your pot in the glue like this, and it's all the way around. If you've got any sticky stuff on here from the sticker that's sometimes on the pots, don't worry, because that'll be covered over by the PVA. As I say, I've watered it down a little bit because that makes it easier to use and it works just fine. So don't worry about making it neat, just go over it roughly as you like. There we are. Now the PVA will dry clear, so again don't worry that it looks white on here. It's absolutely fine. Oops. Okay. Go all the way around like this. And then set it aside to dry. Now I've got one here that I glued earlier. Okay, and it's got a shinier coat than before. The next thing you do is you take your wrapping paper. So I've used this one, this particular one, and I've used, this one. And it can be any paper, as I said, that you like, and you cut out the pieces that you want to use to decorate. So I'll move these out of the way. And so you cut out the parts of the wrapping paper that you'd like to use. Now I'm going to do two different pots, so I've got two different styles. So you take your pot that has the PVA on it already, you take some more of the glue and just paste again on the pot. You take some of your wrapping paper and place it carefully in the position that you want, like this. Okay, press out any wrinkles that you've got. That's it. Then turn it round. And if you've got one of these little marks here, as I said, don't worry about it because you can cover it over with your next piece of paper. So you glue this on here. It's quite therapeutic when you're cutting out the paper. There we are. And then your third one can go round here. There's a third one there. Now sometimes on wrapping paper you get other little designs, so what I've done is I've cut out these little ones here, and they can go on the top. So you just pick them up. Oops, one's flown across the table. Pick them up and lay them on the top. I think I'll put mine between the pictures. Like this. Around here. Like this. Then what you do is you put the PVA all the way over the wrapping paper that you've used, and this will seal it because it's a bit like a varnish. And again, as I said, it will dry clear, so you don't have to worry at all that it looks white at the moment. There we are, it's got PVA all the way around it. And you leave this now, set it aside for an hour, and that glue will become clear. Now we take the pot that I glued earlier, and we take the other pieces of wrapping paper, and these have got lovely little balloons on. So again, we just put the glue on the pot and place the paper where you want it, the design where you want it. Now I've got 4 sets of balloons here, so maybe what I'll do is do it the opposite side. Oops, maybe a little bit further across. There we are. That one there. Around again, in the middle. And put it on here, like this. And then again, the opposite side. And put the balloon on here. Now, this time, I think what we might do is, rather than putting the flowers on the top section here, we might put them in between, like this. There we are. A bit more glue on that one. Glue up here. And then again, what you do is you go over all of it, like this. Make sure that you are sealing the whole pot and the designs. And then you set this aside again to dry, same as the other one. And there you have it, 2 decorated terracotta pots filled with your favourite goodies. Thank you for watching.